They're not even gonna fit in here. So
yeah, no kidding. We're gonna drop fishing.
oh my goodness.
We made it to our final destination, and it's slushy. So what is up, guys? It's a windy one today, so the audio is not going to be great, but we're still going to try to do some filming. We got Chase and Sal in the background.
Hello.
And we're just going to get our holes drilled. Holy. We got lots of ice still.
22 inches.
Is there? Yeah, 22 inches. That's insane. Wasn't expecting that. So we've never been here before, but I guess we're going to be fishing for walleyes and perch. So we got our 2 lines each all set up. Now we just gotta wait. See who catches the first fish. We've been here about 15 minutes. I just lost one while I was baiting up. Sal got the first one on the ice.
First one?
Yes!
We're gonna start.
Finally!
Right.
High five!
I know how to set a hook.
That's right.
Oh, see that hook set? Oh, nice. Double header.
Want to show the camera?
Your jig just broke.
Oh boy, that's great.
It's
Oh,
in
it's
your
in
minnow.
his mouth. Sweet. And next, Sal caught a perch.
That's a football.
Woohoo! Thank God we brought you.
I know.
Good job. Catching a sinner.
Yeah.
Wind is still ripping. Chase just had a release. I'll never make it there in time. But hopefully he lands it and he's on the board. Nice. One for Chase.
I'm on the board, finally.
It's a good one.
It's a good one, yeah.
Awesome. Congrats. Nice. Bite's been a little slow. I just landed this perch. We're gonna keep them. Then I'm gonna get baited back up and hopefully catch another. Holy hell, the wind. Looks like Sal just got the new biggest of the day though.
Nice one. A little windy out.
That's a good one.
They're in the deep water.
Awesome. I guess I should move then.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was way over there somewhere. Looks like Chase just got another one way over there. Is it hard to walk? You gotta talk loud.
Hard to walk out this way, but I got another one.
It's nice. So Sal's all done now.
For walleyes.
For walleyes, he's gonna continue on for some perch, but that's his latest one. Nice one. Chase is hooked up again. Sucks that I can't make it there in time. But we're only fishing in about 10 feet of water. It looks like he got another walleye, so he has 3.
I got another one!
He's flapping in the wind. It's gonna be good in the fryer. Oh, he has warts on, those warts on him, eh? Chase is taking his walk back here, so that could only mean one thing. Looks like he landed a dandy, so he is done with his limit of walleyes. Holy smokes, that's a good one, eh?
A good one. Big chunky,
Chunky monkey.
but tastes good in hot oil.
That's right. That's great.
Tastes good in Ashley's lap.
Yeah, got slimed. Today, catching my limit is more important than filming. Oh, I got another one.
Oh, get it.
Okay, this might be my... Oh, there he is.
Get him.
Hey!
Hey! So,
Limits. The boys are over there and I caught 2 more and then I just landed my 4th. So we are done.
yes.
I think we might go and have a fish fry tonight.
Yeah, we might have to measure a couple of these just to make sure we're under here.
No,
though.
we're under, but you can measure.
We'll
It's
measure
okay.
just in case.
This is the only one that might be
Over.
but I say he's about 17 and a half. Here you're only allowed one over 18.
Yeah, he's under.
17 and a half?
Yep.
Wow,
You're good.
I'm good. So that's it.
We're done.
We're done. We are going to pack up and catch it back when we get home for our fish fry.
Holy. They're not gonna fit in here so big.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh my god. Alrighty, so it's catch and cook time. Boys are just cutting these up. And they're gonna head right to the fryer.
Catch and release into the grease.
How was the night? Yes.
It was good. We were off the water before sundown, so
We missed
Yeah.
the night bite.
Missed
missed
the
the
night.
night bite, but
We got it done before that, so now we just get to fry them up, which we never do.
Reap the rewards.
First batch of fries. Going in.
Okay, Jace, what do we have here?
we got some nice golden French fries.
Fantastic.
Just a touch more.
2 minutes.
2 more minutes.
Rashi over here supervising. And look at that. The start of the show right there.
We found ourselves our cameraman.
The fry drop happened. They look fantastic.
But now we're doing the next drop.
Round 2.
So we got a couple of the fillets marinating in Frank's red hot sauce. And then we're gonna coat them in shore lunch, original recipe.
We got some wings in there.
Yeah. And then
I also keep the eggs.
Chase will probably deep fry these after. Those are the walleye eggs. So we're on to the fish next. Shaking it up.
Shake, shake, rattle, roll.
These ones are done already. Looking good.
We got eggs and the batter.
Nothing goes to waste here.
We want to know what you guys think of our new cameraman.
Amazing.
Put that in the comments below. French fries are excellent.
Amazing. Very crispy. Better than McDonald's.
All
Look
right.
at the inside.
Oh, we're dropping fish.
And
We're gonna drop fish in.
oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You're really selling that.
Okay.
So the little wings are done. What do you call those?
Wings.
Okay, it's teaching Sal how
Cheers
to eat
to a
them.
great day.
Okay, so
Okay.
just hang on to them
Yeah.
because there's a cartilage in there.
We got it.
But don't bite hard. Just teeth it and pull. Yeah. Oh. Watch. Uh-oh. Yeah, so.
Uh-oh. How is it anyways? Tastes good?
So good.
Whoa. But they're
hot,
actually
though?
good.
Mm-hmm.
And then what you can do
That's really good.
is if you turn it over, just don't bite the whole thing. Just break, bite what falls off.
Like chicharrones.
Chicharrones.
Yeah, chicharrones.
That's so good.
So there's the first batch done.
You got to eat it?
This is what they just ate.
That was original.
That was original with
Hot sauce.
hot sauce.
That's really good.
You gotta get the sizzle. Cheers. Wings. It looks like a snail, but it's walleye eggs.
Walleye eggs.
The final product.
Yes.
So, look at them.
Crispy.
Excellent.
Listen to that crunch. 10 out of 10. If you haven't, I would.
Everything's done, cooked.
Supper time.
We got eggs, walleyes, some perch, fries,
Everything fresh.
Bon appetit.
and the eggs.